All right, guys, here we go. Looking at this big red bearish engulfing candle. Let me pull that up so you can see it. This is 2 minute chart, Apple, and we are looking at obviously a short position here in the next few seconds, depending on if we can roll back up, uh, kind of between, going short, going long, meaning if we pull back up over the red dash line and the 200, the purple line, and we'll go long. And if not, we will stay short here. Yeah, here we go. And we are looking at possibly coming down to this low pivot zone. Uh, and then we'll take profits there, either, in this range, or if we hit, 200. Uh, So we have a dollar amount and a physical amount. There's 210, 220, 240, 260, 210. Okay, come on. Let's see if we get another surge. Should have taken it while I had it. See if we get one more surge down there. Well, it's being, bought up a little bit here. 80, 90. I mean, it's like it won't hit that. There we go. 200. Okay, we're out at 200. And we still have 45 seconds left on this candle. So let's see if it'll come down to this blue dash line. But, $200 for, a minute, 2 minutes, uh, you know, price action here is not too bad. And then we still got about 25 seconds. And then if it rolls up pretty high, in other words, we, come up here in the upper third, let's say, of this candle, we will go long, okay? Because that would be a significant uh, price movement for us. Okay, green, it's not so. Let's see here. That looks like we might be rolling over again. But I keep, looking left over here, seeing where these previous low pivots or high pivots are, because if it was previous resistance or support coming up, then it'll be resistance here as this price action tries to come up into a previous support, like right there. Okay. But let me pull this in. I'm not going to let this go too long. Here we go. So what I'm doing, I'm seeing if we can, even if it's this candle or the next, we'll see if we can't get a long play here, go in the opposite direction. But I want to, those odds percentages on my side as much as possible. And that means getting price to push up and over about that area where that red dash line is. Okay. So we got about 30 plus seconds. Let me put you on hold and we'll see how this works out. Because we could end up with just a small doji, small spinning top indecision candle here, green, and then the next one, pushes up there. But let's put it on pause and we'll come back. Okay, we got about 7 seconds, 6 seconds left, and then we will see. Okay. All right, if we come down into that blue dash line, then we'll take a long position there because that was previous support, little double bottom, kind of far and away. So we'll see if that holds. Let me put you on pause. We'll see if we can't get down there and we'll pick up a long position, in this price zone here. And I'm looking for any little uh, formations, patterns that may give us a hint of that being a good, the best target, because you always want to, your, best opportunity. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on. Let me pull this in so you can see it. That blue dash line is what we're looking for. Then it matches up with this low pivot over there where that came in and bought it up. Okay, there we go. And then as we pull back up through it, we'll add to our long position. I'm not really worried about that. Could be coming down this gap zone there, even though it was filled. Okay, we're doing that, but we pull. Okay, should we roll back up through here? When we come back through that blue dash line, I'll add to it. Okay. Okay, we got about 12 seconds left on this candle. And we're watching. Let me pull it in so you can see it. We can get a push back over that blue dash line. There we go. That was the rotation down to the downside. So we'll see if we can't pop up into the actually that 155 area. See if we can get that 155 area. Okay, got another minute 20 something seconds. It's about to change to a new. Well, we got 50 seconds. Okay, 250, 290. All right, we're out. Okay. Thanks for playing. Okay. Anyway, what's it gonna do? Man, I'm glad I didn't wait until we got up here to that whole round even number 155. That's why I put that on there. Because a lot of times these markets love those whole round even numbers. It'll run it back up to that whole round even number. And this one, the high was 154.93. So, a few cents, 7 cents off, but hey, just kind of shows you how this stuff works. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Check us out on Twitter, Crypto Charts Joe, and on our Patreon members group. And we will teach you guys how to make these plays.